Hello friends, now we see the unit 3 electrostatic part 9 application of Gauss theorem. Electric field due to the uniformly charged conductor. Electric field due to the uniformly charged conductor. We know that the electric field inside a conductor is zero and any charge the conductor may carry shall be distributed on the surface of the conductor. So here on the surface of the conductor the charge is uniformly distributed and inside the conductor the charge is zero. Consider a conductor carrying charge on its surface. Again consider some small surface element ds over which the surface charge density sigma to be approximately constant. So here it is consider that small surface ds and the charge is uniformly distributed over the surface. For the positive charge distributed over the surface of the conductor, electric field E should be directed at right angles to the surface pointing outward. So here it is shown that the electric field is pointing outward, and here we consider that it is Gaussian surface. Now E due to the charge carrying conductor can be calculated using a Gauss law. For this, draw a Gaussian cylindrical surface as shown in figure. Now S is the area of cross section of the surface. The flux due to the cylindrical surface is zero because electric field and the normal to the surface are perpendicular to each other. Since the electric field inside the conductor is zero, hence only contribution to the flux is due to charge on area S lying outside the surface of the conductor. So the total flux through the surface will be surface integral over closed surface EDS equal to EDS equal to ES equal to phi upon epsilon 0. From the Gauss law, E into S is equal to Q upon epsilon 0 is equal to sigma S upon epsilon 0, since sigma equal to Q by S, that is Q equal to sigma S. Therefore, E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0. This is the required relation for the electric field of a charged conductor. Electric potential as line integral of the electric field. The electric potential at any point is defined as the negative line integral of the electric field from infinity to that point along any path, that is Vr is equal to integration from infinity to r is equal my EDR minus EDR. Therefore Vr is equal to kq upon r, where k is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Potential difference between any 2 points in the electric field is defined as the work done in taking a unit positive charge from one point to another against the electric field, that is WAB is equal to Q0 VA minus VB. Therefore V is equal to Q0 VA minus VB is equal to omega W upon Q0. Units of the electric potential are volt in SI system and stat volt in CGS system respectively. Dimension of the electric potential V is R is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. Relation between volt and stat volt: 1 volt is equal to 1 upon 3000 stat volt. Okay, thank you.